How to subscribe to Suno AI subscription or buy or upgrade Suno AI subscription. To buy or upgrade the Suno AI subscription, open your browser and go to suno.com and log into the account where you'd like to purchase or buy their membership. And right at the top, you can see this little option that says subscribe. So you have to just tap on the subscribe button over there and you'll find these details. So here you can see a couple of plans like the Pro plan and so on, or the Premier plan. Whichever is comfortable based on your budget and your needs, you can tap on the subscribe button. I won't get through the details of the plan as that totally depends upon you. Now here it is going to ask you to confirm your phone number or anything like that. So what you have to do is you can choose to confirm it. If you don't have access to phone number, you can say send code to email instead. But I've already received the code, so let me just go ahead and then enter my particular code over here. Once I've entered and confirmed the code, this will be the amount of money that I'll be charged annually, and next year it will be different, so you can see everything over there. So you can enter your payment details and you can enter your billing details, then finally tap on the subscribe button to subscribe to it. That's all it takes for you to subscribe to Suno AI. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.